everyone! We're done sa among new listing sa Ignatius Enclave karon. We are going to Ignatius Enclave 2 para among ipakita na sab ang usa ka reopened unit nga ready for occupancy. So same gihapon. So we are from gikan mi sa Mastersons Avenue kay nag-lunch mi gikan. So now we're heading to Ignatius Enclave 2. Same ra gihapon ang agianan, going to Ignatius Enclave 1, going to Tagwanao Road. So kamulo na actually ang drainage. Diri padulong sa Tagwanao. So mo wide nagsamot ang dalan diri. Then for those nga dili kaayo gusto og traffic, so pwede ta mo agi diri going to Tagwanao to Aluba, tama ba ko? No, to Aluba para going to downtown.
Nasa grade school na Tyrose Way.
Yeah, na Roseville School. But dool gihapon siya sa Corpus Christi and Xavier University grade and high school. And then dool sa Tag SM City Uptown and especially Gaisano Mall Uptown.
Street light complete.
So,
May street lights.
then ang street lights diri landag na gid siya kay bag-o ni siya as you can see. So mula bay sa taas sa Ignatius Enclave 1, mao ni ang Ignatius Enclave 1. Atong gitour gaina, then pababa na ta going to Ignatius Enclave 2. So until here naagihapoy street lights, so dili na gid siya ngit-ngit diri. So hapit ni gyud ta. So pati diri na gyud street lights, no? So progressive na gyud si Uptown ba? Nice kayo. So approaching kaning on my right side mo ni ang Metropolis developed by Abraham Company. So mga condo pod ang gina-offer diha. Overlooking, then this is the Ignatius Enclave 2. So, doon na kita. As you can see, naka-fence na the entire Ignatius Enclave 2. Then, dirita sa ilang main gate. So, ni ilang main. So, with guard. So, nice kay ilang gate, no? Na dahil ni ang sa sulod. So daghan gyud kay mga balay na napin mga nagpuyo. Then this is elevated ang location overlooking to Indahag Mountains. So let's go to the unit nga reopened nga ready for occupancy. So, naana ta karon diri sa Ignatius Enclave 2. So, mao ni among ipakita sa inyo nga ready for occupancy unit. This home sits on a 120 square meter lot with a total floor area of 115 square meter. This is single detached home which is naakay access on both side going to your back area. And this area is your one-car carport, and then this side is your porch area. So atong tanawon ang sulod. So the door made of steel. So mo ni ana kanindot kay dili siya anayon. So let's get inside. So actually this home features 4 bedroom and 3 bathrooms. So as we enter, you'll be greeted by an open layout. Here is your living area, dining, and your kitchen area. So, actually spacious gihapon siya. And this is good for starter family or growing family kay upat na kabuok ang iyang bedroom. And this side is your lanai area. So, nasa sliding door. Then you have here a window panels that brings more lights and ventilation. Then ang nakanindot ani is you have a bedroom on the ground floor. So ato ipakita ang first. So this bedroom is for pwede na siya maid's quarter or pwede po ninyo himuon og pantry nga para sa inyong mga kitchen utensils, groceries. Pero kung medyo daghan-daghan mo, pwede na ninyo i-convert as maid's quarter. And then the second bedroom, mo ni siya. So, mas dako siya than the first bedroom. And then, nanapod siya provision for window type aircon. Then, napod kay sliding window. Then, nana siya yung mga socket. Ready na siya. Then, this is your toilet and bath on the ground floor. Spacious. Then, here is your toilet, shower area, toilet area, and then your vanity. So, actually, ready for occupancy na gid siya. Kamo na lang ang gihulat. So, you have another space here for storage. Pwede ninyo yung storage or for shoes. And then, let's head up to the second floor. Steel ang handrail, then concrete ang staircase. Let's go. Let's check. Then, on the second floor, natay duha ka bedroom. So, itong i-check ang first bedroom. So, sakto lang gid siya. Kadako. Then, it can fit up to double-sized bed. Pwede po double deck. Again, sliding window. Then, you have a provision for a window-type aircon. Ang nakanindot ani sa third bedroom, diri sa second floor, is that nakay-own toilet and bath. So, this is your toilet and bath. So again, shower area, toilet, and your vanity. Then, let's check the master's bedroom. So, mas dako-dako gid ang master bedroom. Then, you have this window panels. And then, it can fit up to queen-size bed. Then, you have a walk-in closet sub. So, sa master bedroom na nakay walk-in closet. Iyang walk-in closet. So, ikaw na magbutang o cabinet. And then, next, your bathroom. So, apil na ni siya. Tanan. Then, your toilet area, your vanity. So, igo na lang yun ka magbutang o mga personal stuff, mga gamit, mga cabinet. And then again, you have here sliding window and then provision for a window type aircon. The next is your balcony. So, naka-L shape siya ang balcony. So atong i-check diri So you have this view here on that side. Then here side. So actually nice kay siya. As you can see, peaceful ra ang palibot, di ba? Ang neighboring, wala kay saba, quiet lang. So we're done. If you're interested in this property, sa mga nangita og balay nga 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and then medyo dili ra pud kaayo layo sa schools and malls diri sa uptown, then you may check this property. Let's wrap up. This single detached 2-story house for sale here in Ignatius Enclave 2 sits on a 120 square meter lot with a total floor area of 115 square meter. It features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and you have a 1-car carport. You have a balcony, lanai area. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Bye.